How many how many of these tacks do you think I just took out? Whoever can guess it wins a prize. You know what? I'm gonna give you a measurement. This is the size of the tack. Okay. And we're looking at 30 inches on the money. All right, 30 inches on this side. And 70 on this side. So 30 by 70. All right, 30 by 70. And those are the size of the tacks. Whoever can guess how many tacks I just pulled out of this thing wins a prize. I'm not sure what that prize is going to be. I might just give away a TV. I'm feeling kind of happy. Let's see what's up.